Hello children, we will continue with a study of the first lesson, Computer, a useful machine. Today we will see the other uses of computer. So here you can see that computers are being used in a classroom. The teacher is showing a multimedia CD on earthquakes. The children will watch the CD and answer questions she will ask. So what you can see over here is there is a teacher over here and she is making use of a computer to teach the children. She is showing them a CD or video on the monitor and then she will ask the students question. So what we are seeing is that computer is being used to teach children in school. As you must have also seen in our school that we have a projector and also an LCD screen where you all are shown videos over it. So this is how a computer is used in a classroom for the purpose of teaching and explaining. Another use is that Neha is a teacher. She uses a computer to prepare the result of the children in her class. So this teacher, she is making use of computer to make the report card. And also there are many other uses of computer that a teacher can do, like she can use the computer to teach and learn. She can use the computer to make a timetable. She can use the computer to prepare the annual results. So these are some of the uses that a teacher can make use of the computer. That teacher will learn and also teach the children. She will make the timetable and also she will prepare the annual result. So this is how a computer is used in a classroom to teach the children and also to make the work of teacher easy by preparing the timetable and also by preparing the annual result. For example, if the teacher had made the timetable on paper by hand, okay, she had made the timetable by hand, but there was some change in the timetable. So what would have happened? There was a need to make a new timetable, or she would have to use a whitener to erase this and write the new subject over there. But when she is making use of computer, what she will do? She will just open that file where she has made the timetable and just edit the subject which has been changed. So computer is making her work easy. So computer is a useful machine. Now we will move on to the next use of a computer. Next use is in a hospital. Anil is in a hospital. A doctor uses a computer to make a report about his illness. A nurse uses a computer to do a test. This man is not feeling well, so he has visited a hospital and they have admitted him. So computer is being used by the doctor as well as the nurse. The doctor is making use of the computer to make the report card. For example, this person, he has gone to the hospital, they have carried out some tests. They have carried out his blood test, his urine test and other tests, and the doctor is making use of the computer to make a report, like what is the problem of his illness, why is he having fever, why is he vomiting, why is he not feeling well. So the doctor is making a report about that, and the nurse is using the computer to do a test. This is the nurse sitting over here, and you can see she is also making use of a computer. So in a hospital, computer is used to carry out tests, make a record, check a record and make a report. These are the various uses of computer in a hospital. If you have gone with your parents to a clinic or a hospital, you must have seen that either the doctor or the person who is working under the doctor, they are making use of the computer to make your test report, your clinical report, and also to check your record, like when you have visited before. When you visit the doctor asks you, have you come before? When was the last time you had visited the hospital, and so on. So they are making use of computer to make a record or to check a record and also to make the report. Now these were some of the uses that were mentioned in the lesson, but there are many other places where computers are being used. So here we can read. There are numerous other places where computers are used. There are numerous other places where computers are used. Keep your eyes wide open. Keep your eyes open and make a note of the places where you see computers being used. So in this lesson, only some of the places and some of the uses of computer were mentioned, so that we can see that computer is a useful machine and it is very beneficial for the humans. But we should also know that there are other places where computer is being used which is not mentioned in the lesson. So whenever you go outside or whenever you see anything, you should take note whether computer is being used in that place or not, and can computer be used in that place. Okay, so this completes our lesson. Now we will solve the exercises. This is the summary that you have to write in your notebook as homework. Those who have not written, please write the summary in any rough notebook or any book that you have. You have to write all these 6 points in your notebook or rough book. Okay, now we will solve the exercises. Write T for true or F for false statement. A doctor uses a computer to sell things in a shop. Where does a doctor work? He works in a clinic or in a hospital. So doctor does not make computer to sell things. Rather, doctor uses to make report. So the first one is false. Second, a man in a bank uses a computer to look at records of patient. Man is working in the bank. So why will he look at the records of patient? He will use the computer to fill up the passbook. So this is also false. A teacher uses a computer to teach. Yes, teacher is making use of the computer to teach the students. This is true. A lady in a bank uses a computer to update the passbooks. Yes, the lady in the bank is using the computer to update the passbooks. Then, a shopkeeper uses a computer to make a bill. Shopkeeper bill, yes, this was the first use we had seen, that shopkeeper is making use of computer to make a bill. So this is also true. So you have to write these questions in your notebook, and next to that write the correct answers. Okay, as you all don't have the textbook, you have to copy these questions in your notebook and solve the question answers. Now question number 2, choose the right option to fill in the blanks. So we have to select the right option from these 3 options for the given question. Priya is in a shop. The shopkeeper uses a computer too. Priya is a girl. She has gone to a shop to buy something. Now the shopkeeper is making use of the computer to do what? Issue a ticket? No, shopkeeper is not a railway officer. To make a bill? Yes. Withdraw money? No, because shopkeeper does not work in a bank. So the correct answer is make a bill. B. Payal is in an office. She uses a computer too. Payal is a lady. She is working in an office. So why will she use the computer? For what purpose? To withdraw money? No, she is not working in a bank. If it was mentioned Payal works in a bank, then we can say that she is using a computer to withdraw money. But she is working in an office. She is using to buy biscuit? No, she is using to write a letter. Third one, Rajni is in a bank. She uses a computer too. Rajni is a lady. She is working in a bank. So in bank, what she will use the computer for? Railway ticket? To buy railway ticket? No. To train people? No. To fill up a passbook? Yes. She will make use of computer to fill up a passbook. Next question 4. Mohan is a teacher. He uses a computer in school to dash. Mohan is a teacher and he is making use of the computer in the school to do what? To buy potatoes. Teacher will use computer in school to buy potatoes? No. Find out sales figures? No, that is done in the office. Make the annual result of his class. He will make use of computer to make the report card. Question E. Satish is a doctor. He uses a computer in hospital too. Satish is a doctor. He is using the computer in hospital to do what? To train people? No. To withdraw money? No, this is not a bank. To make a record. Okay, got the answers? Now you have to write this in your notebook. You have to copy the whole question and then write the correct answer. Now question number 3. Name 5 places where you have seen computers being used. This you have to do by yourself with the help of your parents. You have to mention 5 places where you have seen computers being used. Similarly, question number 4 also you will have to do by your own. List that 2 things that you can do using a computer. Suppose someone gives you a computer, your grandmother, grandfather, or your brother or sister, or your uncle or auntie, or your friend, they come and give you a computer. Ahmed, Muhammad, this is your computer. You can do whatever you want with it. So what will you use the computer for? You have to write 2 things that you can do using a computer. Okay, with this we complete the question and answer of lesson 1. So go through the lesson and also solve the question answers, fill in the blanks, true and false, and submit your homework to your respective class teacher. Okay, thank you.